A pleasant welcome to one and all. Now we are going to study about the topic Electronic Workbench. Video lecture and e-content created by K. Yogeshwari MCom CA, Ayanadar Janikemal College Sivagasi, and R.D. Sivakumar MSc MPhil MTech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head, Department of MCom CA, Ayanadar Janikemal College Sivagasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email sivamsccsit@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. Electronic Workbench. Introduction. The electronic workbench is a tool for electronic circuit. It is used to design and analyze circuits without using actual instrument. It is used to editing a circuit very fast and easy manner. Electronic workbench is the previous name of the multisim. An electronic schematic capture and circuit simulation package. Objectives and expectation. To understand some of the capabilities of electronics workbench software. To use the software to analyze digital circuit. To know how to build simple combinational logical circuit using the logic converter. Steps for build a simple digital logic gate. Step 1. Start to select program and to select multisim. Step 2. File to save as under the file name box to save the new workspace as circuit 1 and then press OK. Step 3. Click place menu. Step 4. Then click on the component menu. Step 5. Click on any one of the logic gates available in the select a component dialog box. The general steps to build a circuit by dragging the components like gates, wire, etc. are discussed below. Placing components. Selecting component from place menu. Right click on the workspace. Select place components or Ctrl+W. Selecting components. Click the component to highlight it. The circuit menu will apply to that component. Select several components, drag a box around them. All selected component will be highlighted. Selecting components. Copy a component and select it. Choose copy Ctrl+C from edit menu and then select paste Ctrl+V. The component will appear in the middle of the drawing area. They can be moved to their required position. Modifying components. Selecting components and choose the option from circuit menu. Double click on the component. A window will be opened. It gives the parameter of the component. Change the values and click accept. Moving components. To move components on the drawing, select and drag it to a new position and drop it. Any wire connected to it will be dragged with it. Deleting components. Select components and then select delete or cut from the edit menu or press delete. You will be asked to confirm the delete. Building the circuit. Placing interconnecting wires. Click on the end of the leg of the component and drag the wire directly to the leg and drop it. The wire will route itself neatly. Placing the circuit. Select print from the file menu. Select the items to print from the dialog box that is opened. Saving the circuit. To save a new circuit or rename on old one, select Save as from the file menu and complete the details in the dialog box that opened. To save an existing circuit, select Save option from the file menu. Opening an existing circuit. Select Open from the file menu and then enter the file name. A logical circuit by connecting two NOT gates and an AND gate. Place the NOT gate and AND gate on the workspace. Select the respective components from the selector component. Copy NOT gate and drag the leg of the components and wire. The logic converter. Multisim provides tools called the logic converter from the instrumental bin. With the logical converter, one can carry several conversion. Logic circuit, truth table, Boolean expression, simplified Boolean expression, and NAND gate only logical circuit. To open the logic converter, click on the Simulate to menu instrument and the logical converter. The logic converter that I have placed in the workspace. The little circles, the bottom are the inputs and output terminals. There are 8 input terminals and 1 output terminals available to use. The logic converters, double click on the logic convert icon. Workspace should show the 8 input terminals are labeled as A to H and the output terminal is labeled as out. The converting options are available in the logical converters are as follows. Description: convert logical circuit to truth table, and second one, convert truth table to Boolean expression, and third symbol, convert truth table to simplified Boolean expression, and fourth symbol, convert Boolean expression to truth table. Fifth expression, convert Boolean expression to logical circuit. Sixth expression, convert Boolean expression to NAND gate only logic circuit. Converting a logical circuit to a truth table. Construct the circuit by drawing the components logic circuit. Connect the inputs of the circuit to the input terminals on the logic circuit converter. The single output of the circuit to the output terminal on the logical converter. Click on the logic circuit. You should get the truth table for the logic circuit in the logic converter. Converting a truth table to a Boolean expression. Once you have a truth table, the logic converter can transform into a Boolean function in the form. Create truth table. Drag a logic circuit converter to the workspace and open it. Click the number of inputs from A to H and the top of the logic converter. The input are present in standard binary count format. Select A, B and C. Click the output values, once to changes as 0 and twice to changes as 1. Click the truth table to the Boolean expression button. The Boolean expression will be displayed at the bottom of the logic converter. In this case, the premises primes representing inversion. A means not, A or. Converting a truth table in a simplified Boolean expression. Some expression can be recalculated in a simpler form. To try to simplify the expression, click the Simply button. In previous truth table, the expression can be simplified to converting a Boolean expression to truth table. Once you have Boolean expression, the logical converter can transform it into a truth table. Click the Boolean expression to truth table after entering the Boolean expression in the logical converter. Converting a Boolean expression to a circuit. Enter the Boolean expression and click the Boolean to circuit button. Converting Boolean expression NAND gate only logical circuit. The logic circuit using NAND gate for the same Boolean expression. Creating a circuit from a truth table. Create a truth table and click the Simplify button to convert the truth table to the simplest Boolean expression, and click the Boolean to circuit button. Creating a circuit from a truth table. The resulting circuit will appear selected on the workspace. It can be moved, print to one component and drag the circuit. The following table summarizes all possible scenarios that you encounter. Thank you.